quite as solid. I'm trying to see, maybe we do need a stronger magnet. I'm trying to figure it out. That's why we're practicing, see what's the best way to do it. I think we can put more shavings in. But let me see, wait, so that's sort of solid, right? And then it goes back to fluid. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone like and subscribe.
Getting the right amount of oil to shavings seems to be the hard part.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be like a measuring thing. Is it equal parts?
No, they just said pour a little bit on the bottom and then take the excess oil off with a napkin by turning it into a solid and then dab the rest of the oil. But I want to be able to, should it be, I feel like maybe he's right, we might need a stronger magnet. Cause like I feel like it should all like be able to come over here, but it doesn't have a lot, doesn't really have a big enough magnetic field to do it. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see, wait.
Everyone, we are learning science right here.
So if I can, oh, now it's getting on the thing. I think we can gather it instead of, yeah, no. Now I'm creating like a, oh, now I'm creating like a,
Well, there we go.
like a